If cheese is your love language, you're in for a treat. We're making two ultimate cheese snacks, crispy mozzarella sticks and soft, melty Naan Cheese Bombs. Let's get started. To make the mozzarella sticks, grab a bowl of nachos and crush them into a coarse powder. This is going to be the outer coating. Now in another bowl, mix all-purpose flour, corn flour, salt, pepper, oregano and a hint of chili flakes. Now add water to make a smooth, thin slurry. Now for the star of the show, slice a frozen mozzarella block into thick, fry-shaped sticks. Now dip each cheese stick into the slurry, then roll it in the nacho crumbs. For extra crunch, repeat the process once more. Now drop them in hot oil and fry on high heat for just 1 minute. They should be golden and gooey inside. Now serve hot with your favorite dip. Next up is the cheesy naan bombs. Start with a mix of maida, atta, baking powder, soda, curd, oil, salt and garlic paste. Now mix into a soft dough and add a splash of water if needed. For the filling, combine grated cheese, chopped coriander, green chilies and a sprinkle of mixed herbs. Now take small portions of the dough and roll into mini chapatis. Now spoon in the cheese mix, pinched to seal and shape into cute round bombs. Now brush with milk, top with sesame seeds and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 18 to 20 minutes. Fresh out of the oven, brush with butter and serve with ketchup or your favorite dip. So here you go, two cheesy snacks. Which one are you going to try first? Do let us know in the comments. For more such easy recipes, subscribe to Times Foodie.